It's a hot day today. It's like 100 degrees outside. What is that smell?
Hello, I'm Nick.
And I'm Shady.
And we're from Frank Toyota. Today we're going to explain the importance of going from this to this fresh new cabin air filter.
Between 10 and 15,000 miles, it gets very dirty and builds up mildew and creates resistance and not keep your cabin filter clean.
In between the months, it's filtering smog, fuel from other cars, debris, other toxic fumes from the normal routine commute.
Here at Frank Toyota, we have a special going on that can make your cabin filter from this
To this. For the cost of $59.95, you can replace your cabin air filter and it can be added on to any service. And we hope to see you soon at Frank Toyota.